Hadin Buntiligiwan jongga jingilekai cricket kabla peniat da ka Ribhoi District Cricket Association kabla tip kum ka paham sning T20 cricket tournament arsar pon reu kabla penlong hapok kamadan cricket jongga Ribhoi District Cricket Association hapok senong nongkra hagadong paham sning Ribhoi District hagba menta kesngi kala poino syek bakut jongga jingilekai cricket kabla ikun hapdeng ka Panta 12 Panthers persya ya ka Nongklem Tigers. Haba pai se kecing lekai ke Panta 12 Panthers kala sim ye ke benta ban tit ning kong bat kala yo ban kamai run lane ban bu ye ke target run ka bat chispa san pupra run na ki arpo overs bat ka Nongklem Tigers ka dei ban kamai lane ban tit ye ke target run ka bat chispa san khundai hapo ki arpo overs ban ra ye ke nam job henry ka jingtibit jong ki nongkawang ball jong ka Panta 12 ka Nongklem kala yo ban tit tang chispa khat new run haki arpau over. Bat ka Panta 12 Panthers kala longkan nong job haka lempung paham sning T20 cricket tournament arhajar arpun reu bat kala yo ban ra sendan ye ka song pisa ka ba silak tengka rengkat bat ka trophy. Bat ka Nongklem Tigers kum ka kenhun ka bawan baar kala yo ban ra ye ka song pisa ka ba sanpo hajar tengka rengkat bat ka trophy. Hagani kesngi nagilang gi bor penia jong ka Ribhoi District Cricket Association kila pun kuburom ru ya ki nongseng jong Ribhoi District Cricket Association kum gadak jong jingpurom ya ki jingla jong ki ban kentiu ya ki jingilekai cricket ha ka than kum ki jingai men sim shu ya ki nongilekai ki bala persang banilekai bha bat ban sei la ki jong ki sabilekai ka RBDCA kala ai ya ki kusnam shimet ki bakenthop nadu u emerging player best batter best bowler man of the match but man of the tournament shushu kum ke jing aiman sim ya ki nongilam jong Ribhoi District Cricket Association lawan poi uma wailan miki shela ubade menteri jong tenat sports and youth affairs jong sarkar jilla kumukongsan ha ke jing lang jong MDC ke nongpo constituency ke kong rona khamdej kum ke sembut kongsan nang tau ba Eric Dekhar ubade video ke umling sinar di blog uba AD shela ubade treasurer ke Meghalaya Cricket Association ki nongilam shnong nagi shnong baper lembat ki nongsha khot sngobha ha ke ngi kabala longru aha ke jindan lang jong ki nongilam ka RBDCA ki bakenthop yo president uba Reynol Kharkamni u secretary uba Michael Kharhunai lembat ki wei kum ka dak jong ke jingpen krepat na ke banta ke lumpung ilekai cricket ke bansa sedang no ha ki khendiat banai ki bansawan kabala tip kum ka 8 Ribhoi Cricket Challenge Trophy ki nongilam jong RBDCA ki bala wanra ya ke trophy jong ke lumpung ke bansa sedang shen la pen i pai ba bat la pli ya ke jingtap ke bala pen i tenat daw ma wailan miki shilla u menteri ketenan ki kami lekai jongga sarkar jilla haba ai jingkren u ma wailan miki shilla uloong baka cricket hapo ke jilla Meghalaya kala sedang ban kiu na ka waigesngi syaka waipan namar kumbala abanong baka jilla Meghalaya ka khampau bha ke jingi lekai football henry lada phaipat syaka national level ke jingi lekai cricket ke de ke bopau bha hapo ke India bat kumjuru ha ka parthai parogawai ka India ka dei ke bawan bahasa khmat bat nagaliang jong sarkar jilla lembaga tenat sports kan dan hasenda bat ke MCA lani hapo ke district level bat ban kan kener ye ke jingirap namar ke cricket hapo ke India ka khambon ke jingyo jing mantoi ya ki nongilekai lagi penlek jing mut bha bat nagaliang sarkar ka nirap kat bala ban kentiu ye ke jingilekai cricket hapo ke jilla bat shushu ula kentu ru ya ki nongilam jong ke MCA bat iki District Cricket Association bakin pelong khambun yagi grassroots level namarkan pli kalat kelenti yagi kena ki badonsap ha ke jingilekai cricket barula kenturu yagi kimigi kpa baki diban ailat yelaki jongki khon ki kti haba ki don ni sap ha ke jingilekai khnang bakin light na ki jinglen ki basniu par bakin poi she ka thong jong jingem jongki ha ke jingilekai sports
Cinjok oshishani datang ya kabangin yo banpon syakyar ulam bangin yo banpon minsim shenrang jimpa ai kan shu om tang kita ke jintang bangin pon syakyar ulam in yakir jing e pun jadlah ni kaban min kur kham ching sa siap yarda na. Lasap lapong ingay say kanting kay pertihani kan sakit bangkot siya tong lagi syakitan ngintur kam jing sangit syakyar ka na.
It's like Mr. Cool. He scored 61 runs in this overall tournament. Runners-up trophy belongs to the Monkalam Tigers. And along with the medal, they will receive the medal for the whole team. But they have played really well, all youngsters, and they have a trophy as well. The Panchator Panthers guys, the winning, the champions have used the check of rupees 1 lakh.
Ka cricket ro kanang kiu. No doubt habaya keren hi kamde ka babakalaban ong ba bro shitata ni bos jella Meghalaya ni claim I importance ya ke cricket ni I full nila I more important more focus ya ka football namar shaning yo ihi ba ka football ki kam long interest tang ba la ring pet ladang ilek cabar jong ka jalla jongi at the national level ila ban ong cricket is one of the most popular game in our country. But hakajuk kapor kung mangitip ke India kadai ka world champion haka T20. Tamba barok kata habang yakren ya ke cricket. Larangi discuss bat ke government dan bat ke sports department. The only reply we get kabang yo that BCCI is the richest board in the world. Kabamut ba ke BCCI ke board of cricket control in India. Kalau kau berius pak tam hapo ke pertai tenaga tak kadau nimban kam menyerap naga sorkar ya ke cricket memar kibun teng-teng te ladai compare bat ka jela Meghalaya ke budget jong ke Meghalaya bat ka BCCI tedang dan bon pisah ke BCCI ya ka state budget ke jongi Henry tambah nila dai pat ke por ban nin change ya ka ne ke kom hak jongi ladang ni na po state ladang invest ladang support kumno kiway kinwan ban support yang ini kata kadai ke badan kam dat hoy ki por bumanchwa ngila ban ong ba yo ba hagato ko por sport ministers ke government ke sports department ke kwa ban yara tampak company shuye tho yapi house nam arajar khat nyau khat phra shwa ban poi ke MDA government the annual sports budget jong ke sports department hapo Meghalaya kadai 40 crores 40 crores to build infrastructure, to support the association, to give financial assistance to the athletes, to give cash award to the athletes, ban run yaki inter-district, inter-school bat kuntak ter 40 crores Henry ngas ngau komen mani tho ipi badang shen ngidang shudet ya ka budget session jong une u financial year ban ngas ngau komen mani tho ipi ba ka this year ka budget jong ka sports department kalong 840 crores pras pa sao pro crore naka sao pro chaka sao spa pras pa sao pro crore tapi let's know talk about where are the priority of this government lies. It lies with our youth. Nara pipet menta everyone from football to athletics to archery to motorsports to water sports borok kikwa ban wan hapo Meghalaya ban penlong yaki national championship dangshen gidang sudet ban yo i hang ni hapo badan kurkalang bagi nang hari ke last Saturday ba ka MRF in collaboration with the Motorsport Society of Meghalaya kila penlong ya ketuka national championship hang ni Meghalaya balai borok-borok kini ki association kila wan kila pai kmat sa Meghalaya because government is supporting the government ka invest ka I support nakataka daw borok ki kwa ban wan shani ban penlong ya kini ki tournament namar mirong is to if we don't create platform for our youth kamdai ka besuk ya ki ban guru pe nadang apek ya ki wei ki sports kuma kamtam kuma ngaya keren meni ya ka football kadai ka wei ka bangila invest bha ngidan ka mission football bat kumbalong menta kuma pitip we are building the biggest football stadium in the country right now hapo Meghalaya jongi hangtei hapo Maupanu but we want to kakum kajing kwa kajonga now it's time we start focusing to other sports as well the cricket is kadai ka way but nga appeal ro ya ka MCA bat kumju ro ya ki district association ba baro shkata ka ai ka bengi klem perkhat jengai kalong we did not focus the youth group nin shekdan kita ki under 12 ki under 14 ki under 19 ki under 21 It's high time ba menta side by side ni more develop our state team, but hakajo ko poro ngin focus yaki grassroots level. Kata kadai ka bodon kamba. Ban ngaso komen ban yo iba mene yaki don kitna academy nga internet. That is what we need right now. But hakajo ko por ngan appeal yaki kemeki kpa. Ba kidai ban ailat yaki kon. Ban yeshim benta. Especially cricket, kumba long India hi, kadai ka way na ka game ko popular, but hang kajo ka por, taba he kajing siu ni laban o. U cricket player, u bele kai hagri India, haga grade A, u yo san crore shi season, grade B, lai crore shi season, grade C, shi crore shi season. Kata tangka season fee kejong i kan don ka match fees kan don the endorsement but kum ta kan don shibul kada kata daw nga appeal ye phi bapin treasure to nobody is built from one day. You have to keep on working hard. Mentang ipet IPL ba way na khana badang khatsan snem no web of Surwanshi mentang yo i Ukit 6 yaki experienced bowler. Nadangi pa yung hangtung yang okay, maybe he's inborn talent. No. You have to find out since when he start to play cricket. Nadokat nos na musdang manilai ka cricket. Te piro pidan kam kum kata ka dedication, kum kata ka hard work. Tenagata ka daw nga appeal yapi ba nang try shutam. Bana kaliang ke government ngin persang ban pek kumno bangin la ban ya trailang but the cricket association hapo ke jela bat ki district kenang bangin la ban support shu kenang ban penlong ya ke cricket ro ke way na ke popular game hapo ke jela ke jongi shwa bangan chong na kwa ban pentik ya piro ke jok por badang recently na kaliang jong ke sports department. Kumapitip, but next year is a very important year for all of us. Ba ka Jilla Meghalaya can host ya ka 39 edition of national game. The knang ban ay mensim, no doubt gila pelak kepisa kumbak live kontai crore ya to different sport association knang makin prepare ya ki athletes ya ki players bak nang makin wanra ki coach nabar ki experienced coaches ban thet ya ki equipments bat kum ta ter hanrai ka jingnet ke jongi batang shu ai ya kini ki equipments ban shu ai kini ke pisa kanam ai encouragement ya ki players lani ki kmi ki pa na kata kadaw nila perkhat ke ai ke jingkwa jong ki kmi ki pa bat jong ki players apa ki lekai ta jingkwa ke jong ki kelong ba onda ke le lekai onda ki la represent ya ke state ki lawan ranam ki kwa ban yo kam yo jam. Job security is very important. That's why nila de pass ya policy ka pakerteng. The Meghalaya sports person, Meghalaya outstanding sports person direct recruitment policy. But under this policy, whoever will bring medal in national game, Asian game, South Asian game, Olympics or Paralympics, you will get directly government job. You don't need to sit for the entrance exam. You don't need to wait. Tang should have your medal directly in your kam sarkar. Nga next game, balang ba ka policy, kan ay mensim ya ki players jongi, bakin treasutom, bakin wan ranam ya ka yeng kesem, ya ka district ka state, bat ka rihi berok away, bat ka jok por kiru kin yo, ya kata ka job security.